Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today is learning UI/UX design. Today is learn how to create and as a deliver the presentation for your the portfolios project research. And first is the introductions as start by the introducing yourself and your the project example as hello everyone, my name is Sachiv and the today's I will the present my the research for the expanse trackers app project. And second is the project overviews as explain what your the project is and why it is the important. Example as the expense trackers app says help the user to track the his daily expense and the manage as financials efficiently. And third is research goals as describe what you want to learn from the users. Example as understand the how the people is manage the expense, identify the problems as a user face while the trackings as a spending, and find the features as the users as need in expense management app. And fourth is the research methods and explain how you collect the informations. Example as user interviews, surveys, observations, and the competitors analysis. Fifth is a key finding as share the most important research result, and the example as a user is forgot to the record daily expense, and the user went simple expense categories, and the user has need monthly spending reports, and the user has prefer the visual chart and the graph. And six is a user pain points like discuss the problems of the user interface. User faces like the example as difficult to track the expense manually and to the clear overviews of spendings and hard to create a monthly budget. Seventh is user personas as introduce your the targeted users as examples as the student users as the age is 20 and the goals is manage monthly pocket monies, and the problem is overspending. And the working professional in the age is 30 and the goals is track a salary expense, and the problems is no organize the record of as spending. 8 is design the recommendations and explain how your the apps is slow these the problems, and the example as easy the expense entries and the categories wise trackings, and the monthlies and yearlies report as to create, and the pie and the bar charts so, and the user profiles management and anything. Ninth is the conclusions and the summarize your research, and the example is the research is showed that the user is need a simple and the efficient ways to manage the expense, and the based on the user feedbacks, and the expenses track the app is include the tracking reports and the visuals analysis to the help the user to control their spending. And 10th and last is the question answer as end by the inventing the questions, and the example as a thank you for the listening, and I would be the happy to the answers of any questions. Thank you to watch our videos. Please subscribe the channel on the notification and bell icon.